welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing my Yume Twins box. This is the box from March. I always get them like really late, so they always go up like a month late these days. I think the first one I might have gotten it like on time, but other than that, they like to come late. So let's get into this baby. This is what knives are for. Perfecto. Okay, there we go. Yay! Okay. Oh, it's Disney themed. Look at how cute. Alright, what's on the inside? Nothing. There's usually a cute picture on the first page. Oh, look at that though. I love Marie. Alright, so that's the book in this. What is this? Oh my goodness. How do I get this out? Oh my goodness, you guys, look at it. This is the cutest thing ever. It's a little Dumbo. Okay, I love Pokemon, but I love Disney more. So this might be my favorite box. Look at how cute he is. Oh my goodness. It's like a cute little Dumbo baby head thing that's gonna go into my bed for sure. And then next is this little like thing that you click onto like a lanyard, and then you like have this, and this like moves, or you can like hook it on to like your clothes or a bag or something and just like clip things and move them. So that's cool. It's a little bear. Oh, that's cute. Next is, it's like a dog purse. It can hold like really small things. Look at this little dog. This will probably just go into my bed as a stuffed animal. Oh, that's cute. Alright, Pokemon still wins. So far, this is the only super awesome thing in this box. And then I got these cute cups with some straws and lids. Those are cute. I like these. They're adorable. And then I got an Ariel double-edged highlighter, blue and pink. That's really cute. I like this. Okay. And then the last thing, I think this is a folder. Yes, it's one of those little folders. Look at how cute. This is pretty cute. I like folders like this. So I got a folder case, a highlighter, some cuppies, a cute little lanyard thing, a little purse, and this. I love this so much. This is my favorite thing I got in this box. I cannot wait to put this in my bed. Here's gonna live with Hello Kitty. Alright guys, so that is my Yume Twins box for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to. And I love you guys so much. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys!